back to CapCut. Let me show you a diamond zoom effect. It's not really a zoom in to the frame, it's more like a lens effect where you get this diamond bokeh. Be careful with the speed, it depends on the size of the element as well. So both of these need to be adjusted together. So let me make the speed 100, the fastest, and I'll make this longer. And now I make it shorter, play it again, and now you can see it gets sharper way faster. So you have to adjust both of these in relation to one another. One more thing, the horizontal needs to be below 50. If you've got it over 50, it's going to vanish, so keep it below. It doesn't matter really where it is, below 50, as long as it is. Strength and size is for the intensity. Size will just add more of these, so it opens the lens, you could say. Strength is more for the general light intensity, and you can also rotate it. If you want to inverse this, so you want to blur it out, maybe at the end of your clip, and then you want to fade it to white or something, you can create a compound clip, just select both, right click compound clip, and then use the reverse function right here. This effect will be stored in the reversed clip. Let me play it, and you can see it, and now gradually turns into this diamond bokeh effect. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.